What's going on? Welcome back to the garage. And today we got the engine off the stand. Today's the day we're gonna see if it has good compression or not. Timing's done, everything else is done. I'm gonna put the trans on. It's looking very sketch right now, trust and believe. That's what the engine bay is looking like. Been working on that a little bit. Gonna finish my wire tuck. All right, and just like that, we got it rigged up to put the transmission on. I gotta run to Ace Hardware and get a socket for these. Put that on. But yeah, I will be right back. All right, so we got our 17 mil socket. Don't get at me for it being chrome. It gets the job done. I'm gonna put some blue thread lock on here, so it is removable. And then I believe these are torqued to 17 foot-pounds, but I'll double check. All right, so you're gonna do it in this pattern: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're gonna have to do it in like 4 steps. I think 19 foot-pounds first, 38 foot-pounds second step, and then go to 57 foot-pounds, and then you're gonna go to the final step, which is gonna be 76 foot-pounds. And then you're gonna do all that in the same order too. All right, and just like that, I got them all in with thread locker on. And now we're gonna start the steps. All right, 19 foot-pounds is good. So what I did was I put a screwdriver in there to keep the flywheel from moving when I'm putting pressure on it. All right, there it is, I wrote it down. 19, 38, 57, and 76. Let's do it. All right, now we're gonna go to 57 foot-pounds. Hey. All right, final step, 76 foot-pounds. There we go. There we go. Now I'm gonna see if I can get the transmission over here by myself. Probably not a good idea, but oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. I can put the starter. Don't worry. Transmission is gonna come back off because I'm gonna clean it and all that. Because y'all are probably like, why is he putting that dirty ass transmission on this beautiful engine block? Well, you see, Karen, I'm not done yet. how we're doing this. Get an old battery, jumper cables. You're gonna put the negative on the bolt that's holding the starter on, positive on the positive, and the wire that's on that positive. And then with that wire, you're gonna touch the signal right there. And then it should crank over. And then we'll see how much compression we have. Like we got I don't know, like 115. All right. All right, cylinder 3. Let's do it. Now, I forgot to mention, depending on the motor you're doing, if you're doing a 4-cylinder, you want to hit the, forget the word. You want to have it do 4 full rotations. So therefore, you know you're getting an accurate reading. But yeah, that's how you do a compression check. All right, guys, so all the pistons, all the compression turned out to be the same. So there's the old bumper over there. I'm very happy. This is my first engine build, so I was really scared, hoping I did something wrong. But it passed the test, and that is freaking amazing. But yeah, man, that's how you do a compression test. I was originally doing it by hand, but found out I couldn't spin it fast enough, so I just threw the trans on, hooked up some cables, and got her done. But like I said, for those of you who don't know, I am gonna pull the trans back off. I'm gonna paint it and all that. But yeah, that's this is a win for us. This is I'm so speechless. I don't even know what to say. But you know, when you put in that top-notch work, you're gonna get that top-notch results. So yeah, but it's freaking hot out here, guys, so I don't know what's gonna be in the next video. Could be the engine bay, could be the interior, could be a lot of things. I'm not sure yet. I just have to get a plan together. But yeah, man, that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any tips or tricks, you know, let me know. I'm open ears to what anyone ever has to say. All right, so with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.